When you're headed to the Bahamas, everyone dreams of the beautiful blue waters, exploring coastlines, snorkeling unique and interesting places, walking on beautiful beaches, and eating fresh-picked coconuts. But does it really all live up to the expectations?
You like that?
Reminds me of a pumpkin.
Previously on Spoondrifter, we spent 3 years in a boatyard, bringing our 40-year-old hurricane-damaged sailboat back to life. Todd, I, and 4 of our 10 kids knew nothing about boats when we started, but with time, we have repowered, re-rigged, and turned this boat into a home that's ready for the next big adventure. Last week, West Bay was sheer chaos with storm after storm as we waited for our daughter Katie and her husband Logan to arrive. It has now settled down and is quickly becoming one of our favorite stops in the Bahamas.
It's colder outside the water. Just do it.
Just do it.
Come on. I definitely sucked in.
Some dolphins in the anchors this morning.
We are headed out to see the Ocean Atlas statue. We're gonna go snorkeling. First, we have to get all 6 of us in the dinghy and all of our gear.
The dog thinks she's coming with us.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Not
Come
like
down
to
here
go.
and
All the gear.
grab stuff and I'll hold the boat in place.
Where do you want?
Once you grab that orange scooter, the battery is on the nav station. There's a big battery sitting right there by the electrical box. I don't know if it's a cloud or what here. It could be a cloud shadow. It could be a big old sea monster. It's the Kraken!
It's coral.
Big coral?
The world's largest underwater statue is located about 1.5 miles southwest from our anchorage. When the weather is calm, it's an easy dinghy ride, but it would be rather treacherous in any significant winds or swell.
Oh, I see fish. Dad, you should have brought your fish. We have fish.
Spearfish here.
What? Can't spearfish here.
There is a mooring ball to tie up to, and anchoring here is discouraged.
No. Oh my gosh. That's a head right there.
There's some fish down there too.
That is a head. That's not a head. It is a head.
Alright.
No, she's
Get your gear on.
Logan, there's like a...
Artist, photographer, naturalist, and diver Jason deCaires Taylor introduced his record-breaking public sculpture to the crystal Bohemian waters in 2014. Ocean Atlas is a young Bohemian girl sustaining the ceiling of the ocean. This was a great introduction to deeper diving and snorkeling. There was a multitude of fish that were not afraid of us. It's definitely worth the effort to visit. Ocean Atlas is 18 feet tall and weighs 60 tons. There are 2 other statues and multiple reef balls in this area. The white pipes are also part of the project, working to encourage the growth of new coral. Forged from sustainable pH-neutral materials designed to kickstart local coral growth, Ocean Atlas is a monumental public sculpture submerged 5 meters beneath the sea.
Hey, Liberty. How's it going? How you doing there? Good. Good? A short distance from the Ocean Atlas statue is a wrecked airplane left from the filming of the movie Jaws. It was an interesting area that provides habitat for fish, but was way too deep for us to get a close look.
Note to self, bring a bailing device. We can use our dogs to yes, through.
Our next adventures in West Bay involved a dinghy ride to Jaws Beach, where, you guessed it, parts of Jaws the movie was filmed. We beached our dinghy and walked down a dusty road in search of the Clifton Heritage Park.
Can I get on the back?
Well, that's not going to work. How do we get the coconuts down? We need the nut jiggler.
Let's see. I think that if Logan and I throw Liberty, she can get him. All right, Liberty, come on.
Liberty, go, Liberty.
No. Well, can we get the coconuts down?
So you can drop them on Mom's.
Good job. Get one more. Okay, one step back, Logan.
Oh yeah, don't go too far. She can't. She's got to hang on to the tree, dear. There you go.
Who volunteers to carry the coconuts? Woo! Dad, here. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna start going down. I'm gonna put the coconuts in the bag.
Cut your butt. Make your hand like.
And you said I couldn't do it.
That was my motivation.
Feel how heavy they are.
Okay, go take them out there. The Clifton Heritage Park shares details about the people who have called this island home over many years. They are preserving homesteads of European settlers and uncovering details of the indigenous people who were there long before.
We're here. We're going here.
It was a long, hot walk, so bring plenty of water, but we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves.
Nice.
So, well, that one was way easier.
Should be starting to get exposed soon. There we go.
Whoa! That is our precious water.
Sweet.
Crazy.
Okay, want to get a cup or something, or you want to drink it right out of the coconut?
Drink it out of the coconut.
You like put some
Nutritious.
I'm gonna get the coconut.
Is it good?
I don't like it.
All right, Dad, try it.
Coconut milk or water?
I don't think it tastes bad. It tastes like coconut water. Yeah, I'm not a fan of coconut water, so I didn't know if it would taste better.
Careful.
Coconut water makes you guys like. You don't like it? We'll just squirt some flavoring in there.
Okay, you have to be careful not to open it and spill it again. Now just poke a hole at the end.
You like that?
That's crazy.
Let's see. Liberty has to try and then I gotta try.
This one might be easier, I don't know.
Do you like it?
Reminds me of a pumpkin. Yeah.
Tastes like pumpkin, huh?
This one's actually
Warm.
pretty good water.
It's the experience.
It is better than the stuff at the store.
Yeah. Like I said, the stuff at the
And I
store
think if
tastes
it was
like...
cold, it would taste better.
Yeah.
Can we put it in the
How
cup?
come they don't make them refrigerated?
That's
coconut
Liberty's.
trees?
Actually, that's kind of grows on you.
It's actually pretty good.
It's
Fairly
sweet.
refreshing for
I want to try the meat on the inside of it.
It's like a little messy.
It's a funnel.
Precious, precious.
I wonder if it tastes good with some flavoring in it. You know, like a little coconut, but
Alright, where's the other one?
a little coconut
Needs a lot
something.
of flavoring. Should grab that stuff you found.
The margarita mix. A full wad.
That is crazy.
Almost half a jar full.
And we spilled some. Alright, so now it's just got gel in there right now because these are really young. This is what.
That looks like
Good.
That
guts.
looks good.
Alright, Logan thinks it looks good.
Alright.
It's weird that it's warm.
What does it taste like? Like the water, but jelly?
Actually, no, it tastes like coconut.
I don't want that big of a piece.
Yeah, me either, Mom.
Ooh. Ooh.
The consistency is a little bit.
Slip it up like a piece of snot.
I don't want to eat it. It still tastes like pumpkin.
Still tastes like pumpkin.
It's not terrible. Alright,
That means it's not on the mall menu of preferred
I
dinners.
don't think it tastes like coconut.
Maybe it was like
Older, like
pumpkin.
you said.
No, it's because the coconut we know is more woody
Yeah.
and a little more flavorful. This is a little more bland, but what's it the consistency of?
snot.
No, it's not the consistency of snot.
Dried boogers
It's
on
consistency
a
of
toddler's face.
boogers with some dry stuff in the middle that are kind of not dry but gooey. Gummy bear. Gummy bear with snot is about right.
That's gross.
You ruined
But it
my
actually,
favorite candy.
it's got a decent flavor. It's not bad at all.
It might be good in a smoothie because it would actually blend.
What kind of fruit do we have in the freezer still? Just
Cherries.
blueberries? We have some cherries. Cherries and coconut water and coconut pulp might be an interesting good combination.
Yeah, pineapple with candy.
Enough candy pineapple. Add to it with ice. That would be way gummy. So we should like mix that up in the big one.
Peaceful morning at the Anchorage today. Notice how those are different directions. Looks like we might be getting enough of a breeze maybe to start turning us. Water is so calm. You can see the bottom of the water. We are 10 feet deep right here. Oh, I gotta move some stuff. Because we got really light winds, I'm gonna raise the sail. Look at a few things with it. So what I needed to look at was we get a weird little wrinkle in the sail. I can't even hardly see. Somewhere in there. And up all the way. And I wanted to see what's going on for getting it out. You can see this wrinkle as it goes all the way up to there. I also have this line here which looks like it goes up to just a little bit above that point. Do that. Because I don't actually have a hooking cleat in there for this. So I don't know where this is supposed to go. Still have that wrinkle right there. One thing about being at anchor and playing, the decks get crowded with all the toys and stuff. So you can also see it on this side, just above that triangle. It comes all the way down like that to the corner. Say, I don't know. It doesn't appear to be a problem. It's that.
It pulls like this, and that's what makes that wrinkle.
Right? And they don't fit through the hole together very well. So, this is what it is. Yeah.
Right.
Clean it off. Fix the lazy jacks, I guess we'll drop the sail.
Happy birthday, Mom!
You think you get to have a day off on your birthday? Grab this halyard and tie it off, will you?